Let's say that you're making a contact page and you want to make changes in how some of your elements look. So we already have a contact page that's been created on the student website, and we're just going to travel to it. Let's see, here we go. Contact, I'm going to open my contact page with Elementor. I thought I was going to open it with Elementor. Contact. I don't know why it looks so funny here. That's a duplicator. That's not what I wanted. Trash. All right. I'm going to actually, right now, I'm just going to click on the page. And edit with Elementor. And you see it has these default script that it's using for these labels. Now, if the student didn't want to have this particular font used, we need to change it. What Contact Form 7 and Elementor pull from is whatever is considered your accent font, if you have global fonts set up, or if you haven't set up global fonts, if you just have the default fonts that come with your particular theme. It will use whatever is called an accent. All right, so I'm going to click here, and you would think I should be able to go to Style, and there is a place for, it says Labels, and it seems to give me the option, but when I actually select a different font, if it doesn't let you change it, there's a different way that we need to tell it what to do. We need to give it instructions that it should not be using this accent font. So I have to go somewhere else to fix this. So first of all, I'm going to exit to WordPress, and I'm going to leave the page because I didn't actually make any changes. And I am going to go to my dashboard, and I am going to look for my Elementor in my Elementor menu, and I'm going to go to Settings. And for Settings, I am going to say that I want to disable the default fonts and colors. That way I can tell it what to do. So if I have these checked, then I can have the ability to make changes. Okay, so I've saved that. I did save it right. Saved it. And then I can go into Appearance, and I can go, no, actually that's not what I want to do. I want to go back to my content. I want to go back to my contact page. So let me go back to Pages, go back to Contact. I'm going to edit with Elementor. I'm going to go to Site Settings, and I am going to go to, let's see, where am I going? Form fields. And here now I have the opportunity where I can change the typography. So the labels is like where it says your name. And I can choose a different one here. So right now it's my primary. I could make it my secondary if I want to now. So I can make these changes. So that's how we change the font for our label.